Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the concept of curve fitting. That is one of the important concept of statistics. Actually, this concept lie in mathematics, statistics, due to the human curiosity to predict the things and want to know the future, upcoming future, and prepare himself according to that. Okay, so that is the main reason of the existence of curve fitting. The previous concepts, the concept of regression line, this also somewhere indicates that human curiosity, but the curve fitting is more generalized concept. Okay, actually, what happened in this concept of statistics, that is, we have a particular data. If we collect a particular data, and we have two variables, uh, suppose what should be the name? It should be x and y, it should be a and b, it should be anything, uh, anything maybe the two variables. And practically, if we think, then it should be the preparation and the result according to the students. It should be the investment and the total gain in terms of the financial terms, and there may be the total production and the total investment in farming. There may be the total input and total output, that different things maybe according to two variables. Okay, and what we have to obtain the dependent variable on the basis of independent inputs, independent variable. Okay, so actually what happened in this concept, in this concept, we are going to predict uh, some upcoming values. We may know the intermediate value also, but we want to know that what happened if we have this data particularly, then what happened in further moments. So that concept is curve fitting. That means we have to obtain a particular equation if we have already the given data. Okay, that means the tabular value. Okay, so then we obtain the particular curve for a particular given data. So that's the curve fitting. Okay, that's the reason behind the study of curve fitting. Now, how we can find a particular curve? One thing, when we understand that it is easy to find the different values of the dependent variable when we put the independent variable, if we have already a curve. That means if we have already a curve in terms of if we have already an equation of a curve in terms of, suppose y is equal to a plus bx, straight line, and y is equal to a plus bx square plus okay, mistake is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square in terms of quadratic. If we have, then we may obtain the values of y at the different places of x. It is easy, it is easy. But if we have the different values, then how can we obtain the curve, the equation of curve? It is little bit difficult. The one thing which we have studied in geometry, that is clear, in which your early days when you have studied the concept of geometry, in which the equations of a straight line, you have already found it that how we can obtain the equation of a straight line if we have the 2 points given. But what may happen if we have many points, and then you have to adjust a straight line? There may be the parabola, there may be the cubic. So that's the philosophy behind the curve fittings study. Okay, and that leads the human curiosity to uh, find his future, to know his future. Okay, that's not the astrology, but the curiosity to know what will happen if we have this data. That means nowadays you see here that's a lot of algorithm work behind the study of the your popular apps, that means Facebook or YouTube or etc etc. That's what are the people doing. Facebook, YouTube study these things, and they have the data, they have collected data, and according to the concept of on the base of these data, they obtain what the customer may do in future. So that's the reason the curve fitting exists in statistics. Okay, so in next videos we will go for the concepts of curve fitting in proper mathematical manner. Okay.